some more moss, and I took some cuttings from my RUGINODIS setup, from my nerve plant, and then I've got obviously some twigs there. This is what it is, the pool, just trying to make it a little better. Sick of changing the water, especially having moss and twigs. I'm just going to make it more, well, easy maintenance, I guess. So let's see how it turns out anyway, guys. Okay, so I've kind of decided on the layout. I want the water to run from that there down, hopefully. So I'm going to put water in now and do a little test. We'll see how it runs. I might fix some things in place first. I'm not too sure if that's a bit risky. Might have to extend the tube, but we'll see how it goes.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the build. If you did, remember, like and subscribe. It goes a lot further than you'll ever realise. And also leave a comment below on what you want me to build next. I've got loads of things and loads of projects, but if there's a certain thing you want me to do, I've had one request from Ants and Pets to do a Mano tank, so I will be doing that, but at this moment in time, I'm currently focusing on my crested gecko build next. So yeah, anyway, just let me know what you want me to build. But as always, peace and love, I'm out.